Hi, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to show you how to wash your car. So the gentleman is directing us to go to the left, and then we're going to roll up forward. So you always want to guide your car, going slow. Good. So we're going to move up slowly on the conveyor belt. There's the conveyor belt, and then he's going to give us a signal. Good. You want to put it in neutral, and then you want to take your foot off the gas and brake. You take your hands off the steering wheel, and then the conveyor belt will roll the car forward. It's super important that you keep your car clean. You take pride in your vehicle. Also, when you're driving, you want to knock off all that grit. You can hear the gentleman working really hard to keep our car nice and beautiful, and you have pride in your vehicle. So the car wash brushes are pretty good, but if you have a high-end vehicle, I suggest you don't take it here because you're going to have swirl marks on your vehicle. But for most vehicles, the car wash is fine. You want to, wash your car once a week, and it's really important because you want to keep your car as clean as possible, have the windshield clean, the rear window clean. So there's a conveyor belt that is pulling our car through the car wash, and I've had a lot of requests. My student said, "Hey, Driving with Myles, can you please do a car wash video?" And a lot of people are anxious about the car wash because it can be kind of scary. So either you love it or you hate it. But overall, whoops. Okay, so look, like our windshield wipers got stuck. But I turned the windshield wipers off. So this is kind of what it's like to be in a heavy, heavy storm. Except we're in a car wash storm. Get it? Car wash storm. So, but you do want to take pride in your car and clean it and have it looking really nice. And also there's some hidden dangers when you come out of the car wash because your tires are wet, and if you hit the gas really hard, you'll spin out of control, or if you turn really hard, you'll spin out of control. So you always want to be patient and take your time, and just kind of be aware. So I'm kind of giving you a bird's eye view of what it's like being in this car wash, to know that it is something you need to invest in to keep your car clean, vacuum it out, get that car wash done. And we are not on the brakes. We are not on the gas. There's a conveyor belt that is pulling the car through this, and now we have the rinse cycle. So you can kind of tell that our car is being rinsed, and we're kind of aware of what's going on now. You're going to hear the dryers kind of blowing all that water off, and that's what you see right now. And you want to look at the sign that says, "Please remain in your vehicle until notified." Some people do get out of their vehicle, but those attendants don't want you to do that. And there's a sign to your left. Go when the front of the car reaches this point. So we want to put the car in gear when the front of the car reaches that point. He will give you a number. Looks like 4. Okay. So once your car reaches there, you'll put it in drive and just pull up. So go ahead and pull up, my brother. Put it in drive and just pull up. And you want to keep the car centered. You always want to have your foot on the brake. You want to be careful. So we're going to go ahead and move up. Keep the car centered and square. Always want to cover the brake. This is why our beautiful attendants are looking at us, because we want to be safe. Good. Go ahead and put it in park. So then they're going to go ahead and wipe the car down and make it look nice and beautiful. So it's all about pride in your vehicle. And when you have pride in your vehicle, you're going to be, more mindful of your car. You will take care of your car. So we try to wash the car once or twice a week to get the car to look its best, and this allows students to really see. So let's kind of review. We went through a car wash today. My name is Driving with Myles. I'm a certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I need you to watch all of my content because I have some really good content: turns, parking, lane changes, merging on the freeway. I just want to say thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate what you bring, and more content will be on the way. Thank you.